Hello, my name is Jeremy Griffiths and I come from Flintshire in North Wales, born and bred, and I've been working throughout my career within the education sector in a variety of different roles. I'm currently working at Bangor University as a lecturer and as a researcher. I chose to go to a Welsh medium secondary school where I really started to learn Welsh and become fluent. I came from an English medium background and I'd spent my primary years in an English medium school. However, my primary teachers were very enthusiastic and influential and encouraged me to learn Welsh as a second language. I also had experience in primary school of visits to some of the Earth camps, Llanllyn and Llangrannog, which I thoroughly enjoyed and helped me to realise that Welsh was something that I could do. Being a Welsh speaker and a Welsh learner still, I feel that my career has progressed perhaps faster, and I've certainly had more opportunities to undertake activities that I wouldn't have had I not been able to speak the language. For instance, I was able to have the experience of chairing the Urdd Eisteddfod when it visited the town in which I was the head teacher. Obviously, this is something that Welsh was essential for. I guess something I realised very early on in my career was that people appreciate it when you try and speak and present through the medium of Welsh, and you get lots of support. So my top tip would be not to worry, not to be afraid to try and start conversations with Welsh speakers in Welsh, and if you don't know a word, then it's absolutely fine to say the English word, or just ask somebody what is the Welsh for this word, and they will help you and support you. So really, just give it a go.